please stand up. And Mr. Vidal is reading our prayer for today.
Hey everyone, let's go ahead and give thanks. Thank Fathers and Holy Spirit. Lord, maraming salamat sa araw nito. Hindi na huwag po mag-ipas sa araw nito. Lord, patawag mo po sa mga kasalanan ng Lord na hindi mo ba aming nagawa. Lord, sa atin mismo sa iyo kami ng iyong Spirit sa ato upang kami ay maputo ng masaya, ligtas at ng may magpunan. At yung naman po sa lahat ni Jesus na nagahari sa lahat ng Lord.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bell, for that wonderful prayer. Again, good morning, COP16.
Good morning, Sir Peter. Good morning, professors.
Okay, we sit down. Again, good morning to our observer, Mr. Toby Steron and Ma'am Grace Estrano, and also to my fellow teacher, Sir Alvilius. Thank you for your time attending my final demonstration. For our attendance, may I call the class representative, Ms. Kiara, to tell that we absent in your section.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, professors. There are 6 absent among my classmates.
Okay, Ms. Sita, thank you for that report. I hope those 6, your classmates will go next week. Okay? For our classroom rules, first is being on time. Be prepared. Dress appropriately according to your course or major. Next is participate, respect each other, and enjoy. This is our classroom rules for our session for today. Okay, before we proceed to our new topic, let's have a recap first. What our topic last meeting? Yes, Miss Karen.
Sir, our topic is all about, last topic is all about critical thinking and history.
Okay. Our topic last meeting is all about food labeling and meat theory. Okay, what is the importance of food labeling? Yes, Miss Labusan.
Food labeling is important because it's a way for us to identify the food. Nalalaman natin kung ano yung emotional ng food, and dun sa labels, sir, may expiration dates, may pangalan ng product, and meron din, sir, nutrition facts, and nakakapagpiga na para kayo sa din po natin yung halimbawa, walang expiration dates sa pagkain, nalalaman natin, sir, na hindi po siya pag-emotional. Para kayo sa din po yung nasa examination po. Kasi walang label, pwede pumahala sa iyong pagkain.
Very good, Miss Labusan. Food labeling is ito yung bibigay information sa mga consumer kung ano yung product na tinitinda nila and also yung expiration date na makikita natin sa labeling. So, ay importante na sa food labeling. Now, we proceed to our new lesson. Before that, I have here a short game or energizer, and that is jump rope word. So, yung energizer natin ngayon is may mga definition ako dito, and based on the definition is i-guess yung jump rope letter. So, yung indicator so, pinaka-definition. Okay? Nakakasunod ba?
Yes, sir.
If you want to start, raise your hand and wait to learn time to call your name. The first word. Please read and give your answer. Please, Mr. Sati. Agilis.
The reason of salt, sugar, and milk or liquid for our preservation
Okay, what's your answer? Okay, very good. The answer is Yuri. Very good, Mr. Agilis. The next one. Anyone, based on the definition. Miss Goreza. Miss Gunta.
Similar made out of word, noun, or label, and it has a reddish color is proceed.
Okay, let's see if the answer is good. That is correct. Okay, let's see. Yes, Miss Anna.
A substance, especially salt or pepper, that is added to food in a cooking before seasoning served.
Okay, let's see if this salad is correct. Okay, seasoning. Okay, based on our topic, what do you think our based on our energizer, what do you think our topic for today? Yes, Miss Cara. Okay, let's see if our topic today is all about being Sina. Okay, very good, Miss Cara. Our topic today is all about Fort Casino. So, sino may idea dito kung paano gumawa ng Fort Casino? May mga idea pa ba? May idea pa kayo? Not so far. So, mag-discuss namin ito later on. For our objectives, students should be able to describe the Fort Casino. Next is, enumerate the step on how to make Fort Casino. And third is, demonstrate on how to make the Fort Casino. And lastly, value the importance of knowing on how to make Fort Casino. This is our objective in our lesson for today. Now let's describe what is casino. Anyone, please see. Yes, Mr. Rama. So, casino is a traditional Filipino dish na siniserve natin sa lunch or breakfast. And also, this combination of mixture of sweet and savory. Okay, nakasunod ba?
Yes, sir.
For our, this is the different kind of casino. Do you have any idea of the different kinds of casino? Any idea? Just start. Okay, very good. It's pork and chicken. An idea. Ano ba sa tingin niyo mga product ng casino? Or wala na ideas? So, we discussed the three kinds of casino. First one is, sinabi ni Miss Cara, is pork casino. Please read. Yes, is Mr. Villaluz.
Pork casino. So many servers for breakfast, kaya mga savings. Actually, they are fried every Fridays. Ang isang popular dish na ito, may pag-eat,
Okay, for reading Mr. Villaluz. So, the pork casino is normally served as breakfast and lunch in the places. And also, it's a flavored by savory and sweet flavor. And also, when we see the picture, what color is this? Red or ready. So, the chicken naman, may question to sa pork casino? The chicken naman, let's see. Miss Gala.
Chicken casino. Step 4. You can use chicken as the main protein for casino. Chicken thigh or breast meat can be sliced and marinated the similar sweet and savory taste. Chicken casino offers a lighter alternative to the traditional pork version.
So, in chicken casino, is the alternative to the traditional pork version. So, in chicken casino is kategory sa alternative. Mas hindi karami ka lang or nalalagay natin sa pinaka-product natin sa paggawa ng kusina. And also, additional, kapag ikaw ay must drink or a lot of food, you can alternative the pork to sa chicken. Kasi yung mga must drink is bawal kumain ng mga pork. And also, based on the color, light brown rice is a porcine red. Okay. Do you have any question about the porcine and chicken? Next is, the last one is beef. This beef is the beside.
Beef casino. Beef casino utilizes thin sliced beef such as sirloin or tenderloin as a primary ingredient. The beef is marinated in a similar sweet and savory mixture as pork casino, but the cooking time may need to be adjusted to ensure that it is fresh.
Okay, thank you for reading this beside. So, sa beef casino is that may mga part siya ng little sirloin and tenderloin. Kaya, kailangan natin i-adjust yung pinaka cooking time niya para mas maging tender yung pinaka beef natin. Okay? So, sa pork chicken casino is mabilis lang maluto. Dito sa beef casino, kailangan natin adjust yung pinaka time kasi may mga part siya na sirloin and tenderloin. Okay? May mga question pa ba? Okay, very good. Before we proceed, what's the different types of tocino? Yes, Mr. Gales. Yes, sir. Pork, chicken. Okay, very good. Pork, chicken, and beef. Okay. Now we proceed to how to make pork tocino. So before we proceed to how to make pork tocino, do you think our topic for today is related to the last topic?
Yes, sir.
What's topic?
Impurity.
But yes, para sa impurity siya na hunger. Dahil sa or hunger siya na pinamimigay yung pork tocino. Okay, very good. Now, in how to make pork tocino? Before to make pork tocino, we need to determine what is tools and equipment na gagamitin natin. For our tools and utensils, napapasok ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody, please read the tools and utensils.
Tools and utensils. Utility bowls, mixing bowls, measuring cups, chopping board, utility tray, wooden spoon, measuring spoons.
Thank you for reading. This what's this?
Utility bowl,
Okay, very good. That's one.
wooden spoon,
And this one?
chopping board.
And this one?
Measuring cups,
And
utility tray,
that is our tools to make pork tocino. Now, in our ingredients for curing mix, please read everybody.
curing mix, refined salt, 12 grams, 1 tablespoon, curing salt, 2 grams or 1/2 tablespoon, phosphate, 3 grams, 1 tablespoon, teaspoon,
Teaspoon.
vitamin C, 5 grams or 1/4 teaspoon,
Okay, next.
chilled water, 650 teaspoon. Undivided. Optional. 1 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon.
Okay, this is our seasoning to make a pork seasoning. So, here the ingredients I already prepared or whistled our ingredients for pork seasoning. The first one is curing mix. Okay, this is the refined sugar, it's refined salt, and phosphate, and chilled water. And curing salt, you know what I mean? And yung vitamin C. So, for the procedure, here the procedure. All this is the first step. Is that
First, start on how to make pork seasoning. First, select good quality raw materials, clean and bleed.
okay, thank you for reading. First, we need to select or choose a quality material. So I have here meat or meat na gagamitin natin sa paggawa ng pork seasoning. And we choose a classic pot. Pero before that, we need to burn our personal protective equipment like hairnet, apron, and glass. Don't forget to wear your protective equipment once na mag-prepare kayo lang sa pagkain. Okay, you need to put your hand kasi hawak tayo ng mga ingredients and also ng pork. First, we need to choose a good quality of pork or meat na kasi vitamin na pili namin. Second, slice the meat material. So, I already sliced the meat, but para hindi na tayo nagkakaroon mag-slice dito. After that, this is the number 3. 7 is gala.
Measure and weigh all the ingredients.
So, after I have here already measured the ingredients for dissolving the curing mixture. First, next step, number 4, step 4. Yes, Mr. Villaluz.
Step 4, mix meat with curing mixture.
Okay. We need to mix our curing mixture in our meat. First, we need to add the first ingredient, refined salt, other ingredients, phosphate, vitamin C, just water, and curing salt. This ingredients is already measured na. Para hindi na namin nakapasok 9%. And we need to Miss. Basta nag-mix tayo, dapat is pinipilitan natin para pumasok yung inakalasa o yung ingredients na ilagay natin. Okay, basta nag-dissolve yung 4 ingredients na ilagay natin sa extender naman tayo. Our extender, I have here already the big ingredients. The first ingredient is isolate. So this is the isolate. Next is Bergena. And lastly, yung pinaka-sealed water natin. And we need to mix at seal and dissolve yung 3 ingredients na nilagay natin. Okay? Number 5 and 6 is real. Yes, Ms. Lagusa?
Number 5, add the extenders and mix well until it's ready. Number 6, add the seasonings and mix well on top.
Okay. Once na natin lahat ng purine mix and extender, we need to kailangan natin mag-ulit para mag-insist yung pinaka-flavor na ilagay natin or yung pinaka-seasoning mix. Okay, once na nalagay natin yung purine mix and extender, sino tayo mag-add ng seasoning mix? The first one is refined sugar. The next one, garlic powder. We can use a garlic powder. Next is salt. And next is meat enhancer and meat tender. So yung MSC sa option natin also yung aloe vera. So after that, we need to mix again. Until maging tender na yung pinaka-texture na meat natin. Okay, after number 7, this meat is Doreza.
Number 7, you're at room temperature for 8 hours or between temperature for 8 hours.
Okay, thank you for reading. So, after natin mag-mix natin, then tapos yung pinaka-meat natin, yung lalagay natin ito sa pinaka-refrigeration na 8 to 12 hours o sa room temperature na 8 to 10 hours. So, kaya hindi ang finished product na nalagay ko sa ref ng 8 to 12 hours. Once na nagamit natin sa glass or plastic cup, we can use other para hindi magsalo-salo yung lasa or yung flavor. Yung finish product na nilagay namin sa ref ng 8 to 12 hours. So after nalagay sa ref, ang gagawin? Set it. Yes, Mr. Villaluz.
Set 8, makikita tayo yung 1 kilograms or 1 kilogram.
So, we don't have a equal bag. So, we can use a microwave, microwave, rubber para maging packaging ng ating or sushi. So, after malagay sa temperature ng 8 to 12 hours or 8 to 12 hours, we can put in our packaging para doon natin ilalagay sa pinaka-freezer. Sa step 9 and 10. So, alisin natin yung binabaran natin dahil nag-improve naman yung pinaka-flavor na sizzling, extended, and curing na. So, after that, you need to seal and put in our freezer. So, that is our step-by-step on making pork tocino. Do you have any question or clarification? Understand them naman step-by-step?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, I need to call one student to make step-by-step on making pork tocino. So, sino gusto mag-volunteer? I think si Miss Sabzat kasi may ikaw. And sabi ko, you can wear your PPE and this come here in our ikaw. Okay, ako yung kaya natin si Miss Sabzat. May karoon ba kayo sa step by step on making tocino? Wala namang clarification. Okay, nakasunod pa rin naman.
Yes, sir.
Good. And tandaan nyo ito dahil itong packet is gagawin natin sa ating laboratory para hindi na may lahat. Okay, Miss? Isn't that the ingredients? Ano gawin yung ingredients lang sa gawa na yung last time?
So, after may nilagay ko ng ingredients, is i-mix na natin siya. So, sabi nga ni Sir kanina, i-mix natin siya, tapos kailangan natin siyang kusitin para mag-ano siya po lasa na nilagay na. So, after that, susunod pa natin is yung accessories. First is, lalagay natin yung isolate.
Next is Dubai. Parang
Since meron na tayong chilled waters, hindi na natin siya lalagay.
Basta ma-dissolve na yung isolated carbon ha, we proceed to seasoning.
So first is seasoning is refined salt. Next is yung garlic
Powder or garlic
powder. Anisado ko yun.
Which enhancer and color. And with color spice.
So, since yung MSG at saka yung color red is optional lang naman siya. So, hindi na lang. Then, pag-add na rin.
Yes, okay na yun. Yun tayo.
Alam sa mag-dissolve yung mga ingredients.
Once na yung purpose natin, lalagay natin sa packaging and seal pansin natin para ilagay natin sa pinaka-dessert. So, here that is para.
So, kung wala lang ng tao mas kasi kailangan situation na siya. Saka nagtatawag ko ba isang gloves na gamit ko is ito lang naman yung i-ano ko sa transfer ko lang siya dito sa pinaka-packaging.
Okay, after ma-transfer sa pinaka-packaging, lalagay na natin sa pinaka-store in freezer. So, ito yung pinaka-finish product ng paggawa ng pork sinigang. So, before that, I am here criteria and checklist na sa paggawa ni this Ladursan. So this is our criteria. So paggawa namin sa Ladursan, first is proper hygiene or PPE, 20%, follow the procedure or 40% fitness of materials, preparedness and 20% preparedness and confidence. 20% of the total of 90%. So this is our performance criteria checklist for Sino. So describe ay tayo natin ito sunod na namin lagot sa yung checklist na meron tayo. Did she clean and sanitize question, and I told one student to answer my question. The first one is, anyone? President Piman, answer yes, Mr. Villaluz.
As an FSM student, we need this topic in our field. And how will we apply this topic in your daily life? So bilang isang FSM student and future season na ito, sorry po mag-business tayo. So yan, itong topic na ito is nakakulong sa akin viral ito. I can use this topic or this lesson to produce my own casino which will be a part of my own business size. Kita din naman ito, so makapapayag din yung mga tao na gusto na tayo ng products.
Okay, very good. And now we start acquisition in our YouTube. And next question is, anyone? Please answer. Please read and answer. Yes, Miss Nia.
As a student, how will you share this topic with your friends or family? So, bilang estudyante ko, nakaliit na grupo, pag-ulitan ko yung family ko ng point and achievement ko sa with basic dish that we serve to our Italian.
Thank you for that valuable answer, Miss Nia. And next one is, anyone? Please read and read your answer. Okay, nandito na sa PowerPoint, no? Ay, sa ano?
Sa main switch pa.
Sa main
Baka sa main switch.
Yeah, maybe lang. Okay, nababasa namin, no? Okay, now we proceed to our quiz time. So, bring out your one plus slides. And babasahin ko lang yung question dito para pag-ibigin, no? Hindi na. And our quiz is all about true or false. Okay, mag-paper mo na kayo ng hanap process. Kaya mangingiyan mo pa yung projector. Okay na kaya natin yung may one process nyo?
Yes,
Okay. For our direction, babasa. So answer this quiz. You have 5 minutes to answer. And sa mga hindi mo babasa, so give me and answer. Okay, let's babasa ka ba?
yes, sir.
Okay, you will start. The 5 minutes will start. Sino yung matatas na? Okay, you have 2 minutes. Okay, 1 minute and 55 seconds. Okay, about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, about 1 minute. Take about 30 seconds. Okay, sino na tapos? Meron ka na dito. Titig na sa essay. Okay, about 10 seconds. Okay, time's up. Change your paper please in May and I will check you can check this quiz. Okay, nakapagpalitan ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the answer key of our quiz. Number 1, 2. 1 and 2, 2. 3 and 4 balls and 5 to 7, 2. So in our number 89, check nyo kung nakagawa siya ng essay related sa question kanina, sagot nila ng 3 points kapag naka 3 sentences. Kapag dalawang sentences, 2 and 1 point kapag 1 sentence. Okay, pabalik na lang si Manare. Ay, nabalik ako sa may-ari?
Yes, sir.
Who got 10 points? Okay, papasa na dito. Very good. Okay, some of you is has a perfect score. 9 points. Okay. Okay. 9, 8, 10, and 7 below. Okay, very good. Because all those of you is pass our quiz and got a 10 score. And ibig sabihin na is may natutulog kayo sa lesson natin today. Okay, for our assignment, okay, please read. This is the result.
Assignment. For your assignment, make a 3 to 4 minutes video presentation on making pharmacy. Submit your assignment in our Google Classroom or post it in your YouTube and put the link in our VCR until May 2, 2024, 5 p.m. only. The students should make a word casino following the procedure and will be rated according to the criteria below. So the criteria are proper hygiene or PPE is 20%, follow the procedure 40%,
din ang